Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome to the onboarding series of videos for CADpractice.com. And one of the first questions you're going to be asked when you're setting up a new account is, should you sign up as a student or should you sign up as an educator? Now, this might seem like a pretty straightforward decision, right? If you're a student, choose student, and if you're a teacher, choose teacher. But there are a couple of fringe cases that I wanted to review with you just in case these come up. And those would be things like if you're a member of a robotics team or a robotics group and you want to create an account together, or if you're a member of an after-school CAD club that meets together, or if you're a member of a company, if you work at a professional company and you have an internal users group that wants to meet up together. These might all be scenarios where someone should sign up as an educator. And the reason why that would be important is because when you sign up as an educator, you can create a local leaderboard just for your group. So for example, if I sign up as an educator here you can see what the educator portal looks like. The educator is going to be able to generate a code and then invite other people to the group with that code. And normally this would be an instructor inviting students to their classroom, but it could also be the person who's leading the user group or the robotics club, inviting other members of the team to that club. The cool thing is that here as an educator, you can still jump into student view. You can still do all of the challenges just like your students or your other members of the club can do, and you can still become a member of the leaderboard. So here you see if I look at the leaderboard, this is the leaderboard for the entire world, the global leaderboard. But if I click here on my class, this would be the leaderboard for my class as an educator, or for my group if I'm a member of a robotics club or a CAD users group. And that's kind of cool because then you can compete against people that you know and try to one-up each other, either on the global leaderboard, but also on the individual speed modeling leaderboards for each challenge. So who should choose the account type of student? Well, if you know for sure that you're going to become a member of one of those groups, or if you are a student who's going to become a member of a classroom, then you should just choose student to sign up for your account. So like I said in the beginning, I know this might seem pretty straightforward, but I just wanted to cover a couple of those fringe cases. And if you have any questions, let us know at info@cadpractice.com.